Good morning, children. Now we are in the part B of standard paper. We have finished part A, with, which had case study as well as 1 mark questions. So now we are going to go with this part B question. Prove that, just a minute, let it get focused. Prove that root 2 plus root 3 is an irrational number. So we know how to do this. Prove that root 2 plus root 3 is an irrational number. Always taken into in a contradictory way. Root 2 plus root 3 be a rational number. Let us suppose this. So when we are supposing it as a rational number, this particular part is very important to be written. अगर ये वाला portion नहीं लिखा होगा तो it becomes meaningless of your proof. Because here where you are saying that PQ are co-prime. Isn't it? So here squaring both sides, we square both sides, root 2 a plus b whole square, a square plus b square plus 2ab, and this way you get the square on the right hand side. Root 2 square becomes 2, root 3 squares becomes 3, and this becomes 2 root 6, sorry, root 2 into root 3 is root 6. It is 2 root 6. It is 2 root 6. It is 2 root 6 this side. So 2 plus 3 becomes 5, and when you bring the 5 this side, it becomes negative. LHS is irrational, whereas RHS is rational, and we know they cannot be equal, so that means our supposition is wrong. Therefore, root 2 plus root 3 is an irrational number. Fine. Now, 22nd question. They said ABCD is an, they didn't say ABCD. They said these 1, 2, 3, 4 are the coordinates of a parallelogram. So you have to take it in one order. जैसे मैंने यहाँ इसको ऐसा एंटी क्लॉकवाइज डायरेक्शन मिला. It's up to you. You take A here, B here, C here, D here, but it should be in an order. It's not that you'll take this A here, B here, C here, and D here. It's not at random you're going to take. You're going to take these coordinates in one particular order, either in the clockwise direction or anti-clockwise direction. And they're asking us to find out this X and Y. So we know that the property in a parallelogram is the midpoint of the diagonals will be the same. So midpoint of diagonal AC and midpoint of diagonal BD should be same. So we have used the midpoint formula. AC 3 plus x by 2, 3 plus 7 by 2. BD 6 plus 5 by 2, y plus 6 by 2. And when we are equating two coordinates, इसका मतलब ये है कि x coordinate x के बराबर होगा और y वाला y के बराबर होगा. जब हम दो ordered pair को equal to के sign के साथ अगर उसका relation बना रहे हैं तो. So this becomes to this. So I get that x is equals to 8. It's so easy. The denominators gets cancelled. Y portion equal to the y1, the other y of the ordered pair, and we get y is equals to 4. So x is 8 and y is 4. इसी में और क्वेश्चन था, and this is a textual question I think. PQ and PQ is 10 units, find y. So PQ is 10 units. That means direct question on distance formula. PQ is equals to, we are just writing it like this. 10 minus 2 whole square plus y plus 3 whole square. This is what it is when we use the distance formula. Squaring both sides. Why I am squaring both sides? So that I remove this square root. 10 minus 2, 8 square, and this becomes PQ is given as 10. So 10 square. 164, and again we are using an identity here. A plus B, A square plus B square plus 2AB. Bring all the terms with that doesn't have variables over here. We get it as 27. Y square plus 6y is equals to 27. This 27 comes here, it becomes minus. We formed a quadratic equation. And we know that 1 into 27 is 27. 9 3s are 27. 9 में से 3 माइनस करोगे तो 6 आएगा. और 9 पॉजिटिव होना चाहिए क्योंकि ये पॉजिटिव. जो साइन यहाँ है वो बड़े वाले का साइन होता है. इस चीज़ का ध्यान रखना. ठीक है. So it is 9 minus 3 is 6, and I've told you the shortcut method कैसे निकालते हैं बिना splitting and all that. So इसका sign change करोगे -9 and इसकी coefficient से divide करोगे. इसका sign change करोगे +3. So y is equals to -9 or +3. 23rd question is, this is a polynomial, quadratic polynomial. Find the zeros and verify the relationship. So what we do is we make the polynomial into equation first, and we are trying to factorize this. 4 3s are 12. We know 6 2s are 12 and 6 में से 2 निकालोगे तो 4 आएगा. क्योंकि यहाँ पे लिखा है फाइंड द जीरोस, यहाँ शॉर्टकट मेथड नहीं चलेगा. शॉर्टकट मेथड करती तो कैसे होता, यहाँ 6 में से यहाँ -4 है, यहाँ पर -4 है. तो इफ आई गो विद द शॉर्टकट मेथड I get it as -6 2, isn't it? क्योंकि यहाँ नेगेटिव है तो बड़ा नंबर भी नेगेटिव लेगा. So -2 -6 + 2 will give me -4. and अगर इसका डायरेक्ट मेथड करें तो चेंज द साइन, 6 बाई इसका कोएफिशिएंट x² का कोएफिशिएंट, और x is equals to 2 by the coefficient this, that is a. So मुझे आता है x is equals to 3/2 और x is equals to 1/2, and this is what we are getting it. Sorry, change the sign. जैसे यहाँ माइनस साइन है तो इसको पॉजिटिव, यहाँ पॉजिटिव है तो माइनस, सो -1/2. बट हियर वी आर स्प्लिटिंग द मिडिल टर्म, -6s, and इन दोनों में से कॉमन, and this you know how to do it. We have taken out the common terms. Either this is 0 or this is 0, and we get the two zeros as -1/2 and 3/2. Take one as alpha, the other as beta. When we add them, I get 2/2 1. That is equals to, I'm almost writing it as -b/a. इसके फॉर्म में लिख रही, ये पार्ट लिखना सीखना. This particular part you see how I can get 1. So it is -b/a. Alpha into beta, -1/2 into 3/2. It becomes -3/4, and that is equals to c/a of the equation. 24th question is on construction of exercise 11.2, question number 4, and I said you this is an important question, जिसमें लिखा है, बोला है draw a some circle and make the tangents such that they are inclined at 60 degree. So you know that you have taken a radius and यहाँ से आपने 120 degree बनाया, यहाँ से आपने 90 degree बनाया, I think you know this, and then they will go and meet over here at 60 degree. So here you will draw 120, and here you are going to draw 90 degree each, and you know that you approach to 60 degree. Next, 25th question. Sin A plus cos A by sin A minus cos A. Sin A minus cos A by sin A plus cos A is equals to this we have to prove. It's already in sin and cos. पहले ही simple form में. तो direct LCM and solving it. If I take LCM, I get both the terms in the denominator. This gets multiplied to this sin A plus cos A whole square. This gets multiplied to this sin A minus cos A whole square. So when I open this, I get a square plus b square plus 2ab. When I open this using an identity, I get a square plus b square minus 2ab. So these terms gets cancelled and I get 2 times sin square A, 2 times cos square A, and this is sin square A minus cos square A. I can take out 2 common and I get sin square A plus cos square A, and this is okay. I finally got this. And this term becomes 1. But if I see at the RHS, there is no cos term, whereas I am getting a cos term here. That means I have to remove this cos and convert it into sin. So cos के जगह पे मैंने ये लिख लिया, because we know that sin square A plus cos square A is equals to 1. So instead of cos square A, I am going to write it as 1 minus sin square A. I have used an identity here. So this becomes -1 and minus minus becomes +1. It becomes 2 sin square A minus 1. This is what it was. So equal to RHS. 26th question. They have given this figure to us and they said there are 2 circles, one with the center O and O dash. AB is tangent to both, to the smaller circle as well as the bigger circle. CD is also common tangent to both the circles. And both the tangents are intersecting at E. They have asked us to prove AB is equals to CD. This AB and CD are equal. So we know that the tangents drawn to a circle from an exterior point are equal in length. ये mention करना ज़रूरी है because now we have arrived at, okay, it's a 2 marks question. ठीक है, ना ही भी लिखेगा तो समझ चलेगा. 3 marks question में सारा explanation की ज़रूरत है. Now यहाँ से E है. So this is equal, AE is equals to CE. This is an exterior point to the circle. This also becomes a tangent. So AE is equals to EC. For the smaller circle, EB is equals to ED, because for the smaller circle also this is an exterior point and these two are acting as a tangents. So for bigger circle and smaller circle I have written, just add this 1 and 2. I get EA plus EB and EC plus ED. EA plus EB becomes AB. EC plus ED becomes CD, and hence we have proved that AB is equals to CD. Both the lines are equal. Now we have come to the 3 marks question. Prove that 7 root 5 is an irrational number. Let you know how to take this, and I said this particular portion is equal. Root 5 is equals to P by 7 PQ. I'm bringing 7. This is irrational, rational. They cannot be equal. That means our supposition is wrong. Our supposition is wrong. Therefore, 7 root 5 is a rational number. 28th question. Solve for x. Something in square root like this, and they're asking us to solve an x. सबसे पहला square root हटाना है. So what I do, I bring this whole term towards here. Now I'm squaring both sides so that I can remove the square root. So squaring both sides, the square root is removed. It's 6x plus 7. यहाँ a minus b whole square. A square plus b square minus 2ab. Bring 6x and 7 also this side. I've got a quadratic equation. Make it dividing by 2. I reduce it to a smaller form. 2 21s are 42. तो मैंने 42 को prime factorize किया. I know 7 2s are 14 and 3. 14 on 3 will give me 17 here. So here it is minus. So minus 14 minus 3. दोनों minus में जाएंगे क्योंकि add कर रहे हैं. And I know the shortcut method will be x is equals to change the sign 14. X is equals to change the sign 3 divided by this a x square का coefficient. And we get x is equals to 7 or x is equals to 3 by 2. And let's see whether we are getting the same thing here. So we are getting the same part. X is equals to 3 by 2. X is equals to 7. Second part is also in the same way. इसी तरीके का क्वेश्चन है. You try yourself now. इसी का और पार्ट है. X is equals to 2 by 3. X is equals to minus 3 are the roots of this equation. Find A and B. So we know alpha plus beta is equals to minus b by a. Alpha, let us take this as alpha, this is beta. If I add, it is equals to minus 7 by a. And जब इसको solve करते तो minus 7 by 3 is equals to minus 7 by a. I need a cross multiply. I got a is equals to 3. And we know that alpha into beta is equals to c by a. Alpha into beta. So this इन दोनों को multiply करो. C is b and this is a. So C के जगह पे B है यहाँ पर B है. B by A is equals to 2. B by A, just now we have found out A is equals to 3. And we got B is equals to 6. ऐसे questions इसलिए देते हैं कि बच्चे confuse हो जाए कि यहाँ C लिखा था मैंने यहाँ B कैसे लिख लिया है ना. यहाँ minus B दिया था तो कहीं ये तो नहीं put कर देंगे. It should be very careful. तो जब इसमें A and B आता है ना तो इसको capital बना दिया करो. Make it capital so that there should not be any confusion between anything. Oh sorry, यहाँ तो A ही रहेगा. Sorry, because you are taking this A here. यहाँ तो A ही रहेगा. And when we come to this side, that C by A, and C here is B by A. 29th question. X cube minus 5x square, this is one of the polynomial, has two equal zeros of opposite sign. ये दिया हुआ है. दो equal zeros है. इसका power 3 है, degree 3 है. That means it will have 3 zeros. So let 3 zeros be alpha, beta, gamma. ठीक है. So अगर मैं बोलूँ कि 2 zeros equal है लेकिन opposite sign है, तो सोचो beta is equals to alpha but with opposite sign. ठीक है. Now we know that alpha plus beta plus gamma is equals to minus b by a. अल्फा की जगह पे अल्फा लिखा, बीटा की जगह पे माइनस अल्फा प्लस गामा इज इक्वल्स टू माइनस बी हियर इज -5 of -5/1. ये पॉजिटिव हो गया. गामा इज 5. वी नो अल्फा इंटू बीटा इंटू गामा इज इक्वल्स टू -d/a. बीटा के जगह पे माइनस अल्फा डालो, गामा इज इक्वल्स टू दिस. आई गेट माइनस अल्फा स्क्वायर. गामा का अभी भी वैल्यू निकाला 5. Divide it over here, I get it 16. Alpha square is equals to 16 means alpha is plus or minus 4. अगर प्लस 4 होगा अल्फा तो बीटा -4 होगा. अगर अल्फा -4 होगा तो बीटा 4 होगा. सो तो जीरोस कैसे होंगे? जीरोस के 2 सेट आ जाएंगे. 4 -4 5. यहाँ पर भी 4 -4 and gamma was 5. So these are the zeros. These are some textual question of exercise 6.5 and 6.3 triangles chapter का. Triangles chapter में से बहुत अच्छे अच्छे questions है. Question number 11 and 15. Just go through it. Now 31 question today. This is the last question. Total cards in the lot is numbered from 1 to 30. That means there are 30 cards. Probability of getting a prime number greater than 7. 7 से बड़ा प्राइम नंबर क्या क्या होता है? 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6/30, 1/5. Probability of not getting a perfect square. पहले देखो perfect squares क्या क्या है. 1 1 1, 2 का स्क्वायर, 3 का स्क्वायर, 4 का स्क्वायर, 5 का स्क्वायर. 6 का स्क्वायर 36 बड़ा हो जाता है, कैंसिल कर दिया. 1 2 3 4 5. सो 30 में से 5 निकाल दो, परफेक्ट स्क्वायर नहीं चाहिए. सो 25/30, 5/6. Just note down all this in your classwork and mention all the sample papers. By tomorrow we'll finish this sample paper as well and we'll catch up with the second sample paper. That's all for today, children.